everyone, welcome to my channel TechSol. After a long time, I am creating this video for job updates. Today, there is lot of requirement of ITI and diploma candidates. Let's start with number one. ITI electrical candidate required for solar power plants. Responsibilities and duties: their maintenance of solar plants and monitoring power generation, reporting, fixing electrical issues. Salary they are offering 12,000 to 18,000 per month. Job location is Ahmedabad. If you are interested, then send your CV in at info@solwavep.com. Another one is for service engineer at Rajkot. Diploma or ITI candidates, they need electrical or electronics, fresher or experience. They both are eligible. Interested candidate, call on this number. Third one is from a leading chemical company. Position is condition monitoring technician. They require ITI mechanical level 1 certification in vibration analysis. Experience, they need 2 years of experience. Location is Dahej, Gujarat. Salaries offering is 3.3 lakhs per annum. They require must ITI mechanical. Fourth one is electrical maintenance job for Kadi location. They offering salary 13 to 17k. Age 22 to 33 years. Location Kadi. Industries automobile manufacturing company. Male candidate only required. JD is inspect on routine basis electrical equipment, wiring, fixtures and other components to ensure they remain functional up to codes, as well as to identify any hazardous or issues. Second, determine the reasons for any malfunctions of the system or components and create a maintenance or repair plan to solve the problem. Third is repair electrical system, wiring, circuit breakers, equipment and other components so that they remain at full functional capacity. Fourth and fifth, both are same. They must need electrical maintenance experience in PLC. Note is given. Electrician must be from die casting maintenance background and must aware about the maintenance of HPDC machine and SPM. Interested candidates send their CV on srishti.singh@meenakshipolymers.com. Fifth requirement is for ITI electrical and the job is in HVAC department, pharma industries. Location is Dahej. Experience they need 2 to 10 years. Salary maximum they are offering is 2.5 lakhs per annum. Bus facilities also available from Bharuch to Dahej. Interested candidates send resume on info@reliablefirst.com. There is also contact number mentioned that. Sixth one is from Ajanta Oreva Group. You all know that this is a very big company manufacturing electronics components and watches, auto industries. First, they need diploma engineer, electrical, electronics or mechanical, fresher or experience, both are required. Second one is ITI electrical, electronics and mechanical, fresher or experience, both candidate required. Interested in eligible candidate kindly come walk in with 10 am to 5 pm at following address: Ajanta Manufacturing Private Limited, Oreva Group, Oreva Nagar, 8N National Highway, Samakhiali. Kutch district, Gujarat. Share your CV at the rate rana at the rate oreva.com. There is also 2 number mentioned. You can contact him by phone. 7th is for Simon Fiber Tech Limited. They required production supervisor, furnace operator, needler operator, and feeder turner, sales coordinator, admin officer. There is huge number of requirements. Let's see step by step. First, they required production supervisor. One vacancy there. Diploma electrical or electrical engineer, both are required. 3 to 5 years of experience they need. Furnace operator, 2 candidate required. ITA electrical and ceramic fiber furnace operator for 2 to 5 years experience must have. Needler operator, 1 post. ITA feeder or turner, both are eligible. 4th is for maintenance, ITA welder, feeder, turner. Welding and brazing experience you must have, or experience you need 2 to 5 years. Sales coordinator, graduate MBA MCom, must be in fluent in English. Fresher experience, both are eligible. Admin officer, graduate BBA or BCom, must be in fluent in English. Experience, they require fresher or experience. Interested candidate can send your resume to docs@simonfibertech.com. Another one is admin@simonfibertech.com. Company address also mentioned that plot number 2643 of /44 Kranti Gate, Main Road 13, GIDC, Metoda, District Rajkot. 8th requirement is for Hazira, Surat location. Interview mode is telephonic or personal interview. Shortlisting under process at Universal Office, Navsari. First, they require mechanical fitter. 2 candidates required. Minimum SSC pass or ITA fitter required. 3 to 4 years experience in maintenance field. Age limit up to 50 years. Working hours of company is 9 hours. Working including lunch. General duty only. Timing is 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Nature of work: knowledge in maintenance pump, compressor, valves and cooling towers. Eligible candidates immediately share your CV at universalrequirement.net. So friends, these all are requirement of maintenance, and especially for ITI and diploma candidate. So if you are really looking for opportunity, then apply on this job. If you don't, then share with your friends or colleagues who really need this kind of opportunity. And one more thing I want to tell you all: if you are looking for job change and I am not posting in this video, then you can also comment your need. For example, you can write in comment section box your designation and your experience. I will check your comment and create video soon. Thank you. Thanks a lot.